Hey, Miss Amy, how's it going? Video journal number 2 here for programming. I think it's programming. Yeah, I keep getting the two mixed up. Same setting, same setting, same teacher, same seat, same people. But anyway, yeah. So we'll go with programming. So the prompt was identify one major difference between broadcast radio, broadcast television, and the most glaring one would have to be the fact that broadcast television seems so much more open-ended in how you can select for that programming. There's the syndicated, the non-syndicated, like I was listing in the chapter. There's the network. There's also independent stations as compared to radio stations, where radio stations are much more targeted in what the local demand is going to be, what the competition is already supplying to that market, and where there is a void for you to fill in that market or to compete or to, competitively be able to compete with. So that is my reply. I will see you in class. Thanks. Bye bye.